Hello everybody and welcome to a new Tool Tuesday for the Tailored for Workfront plugin. Today I'm excited to show off the new Smart Reports feature that is again free with the Workfront Tailored beta. So let's go ahead and check it out. This tool is built for simplifying the process of creating a report in Workfront by turning your text and your description of what you're looking for into a filtered, grouped, and displayed report, rather than having to know the ins and outs of reporting elements in Workfront, especially for those users who aren't as native to the structure of Workfront reports. So an example of something that would be typically a little bit more advanced for the average user in Workfront is giving a report where in this case we want it to give me a bar chart of users showing the combined number of tasks and issues assigned to them. So not just a task report, not just an issue report, but I want to see all the users by the amount of tasks and issues assigned to them. All we need to do is type in that phrase and hit generate. And just like that, your results are pulled into a nice visual report based off of either the best selection the AI can think of for your chart, or if you, in my case, ask for a bar chart, it'll show that first. We can see all of my users with the combined number of tasks and issues assigned to them. We can change the color palette. If my company uses blue more, we can switch that out, or if we use a lot more green, we have reports for that. We can toggle between the different chart types, so we can look at a pie chart or a line graph, which isn't particularly relevant in my case, or we can see a table with the data that we're looking for. Just to show one more quick example, we can also do easier skip level reports than you would typically do in Workfront. So if I want to pull a report that shows all portfolios grouped by the number of tasks in each of them, then we can generate that without having to do multiple, exist filters or more complicated reporting strategies and groupings, or even oftentimes system admins will end up exporting different graphs from Workfront or charts and then putting it into Excel to combine data. This helps alleviate that issue. I do want to mention here that right now, just like in a normal Workfront API limitation, we do have the limitation of not being able to do thousands of API requests or thousands of data points. So if you're trying to do mass sums of data, you're still likely going to have to do different exports for that. But when you're working with data in the hundreds range or less, then this is still a great opportunity for you. So here I can see that my marketing portfolio has 139 tasks, which is by far the most, since that's the only one I really use for my examples. And just like you can in Workfront, we have the ability to export either the chart, which I can pull up as a PDF, and share with people, or I can also export it as a CSV file, which cleanly exports my table. And as always, as is always capable in Workfront, we can even pull Tailored for Workfront into an iframe and a dashboard in Workfront. So if we want users to be able to pull data and make reports without us having to be in the middle, you can always create this dashboard and share it with them in Workfront so they can access this tool. Thanks again for all of your support, and thanks for watching, and I look forward to releasing more tools.